It is called force. When we are giving the force, we need energy. Without energy, we cannot give the force on an object. And also in our everyday life, it has different types of forces we have to follow. In the last class, we have learned about 3 types of forces. What are the 3 types of forces? Frictional force or friction, magnetic force or magnetism, gravitational force or gravity. What is mean frictional force? This friction or frictional force occurs whenever any 2 objects or surfaces against each other. For example, this is the board. I am writing the board. So, this is an object and chalk is an object. When 2 objects rub together, I am standing on the ground. Ground is a floor. Yes, it is an object. I am an object. So, any 2 objects or surfaces against each other, that is called frictional force. When the smooth surfaces causes less friction and rough surfaces cause more friction. If the floor is tiles, or using the tile area, when we walk in that smooth places, it has less friction. We can walk easily. And rough area, in the grass areas or road, it's not in smooth. Rough area, when we walk that rough area, it is difficult to walk. It has more friction. We need to stop each and everywhere. So, smooth surfaces cause less friction, rough surfaces cause more friction. Then in what are the areas needed friction? We need friction to walk by road or by floor. Then need friction to write on a paper. If there is no friction in that paper, it will be write smoothly. It will be, our handwriting will be not clear. It will be slip. And also if we made any mistakes in that paper, we will be use the eraser to rubbing the mistakes. In that area needed friction. And also friction needed by driving car or vehicles. If there is rub area, it is difficult to move the vehicles. Then in the railway track, trains used to tracks to move on that tracks. It is also needed less friction. Some situations we don't have friction. See, when we are using any machines, in the machinery parts, no need friction. If there is friction, the machinery parts will be damaged. When we are moving by vehicles, if the road is very rough or damaged, energy or wastage of fuels. So, it's needed less friction. It's very difficult to more friction. And how to avoid the friction? How will you avoid the friction? When we have to apply oil or grease, when we apply in the machinery parts, it will be move smoothly. Parts will be not damaged. So, the machinery parts or machines protect by the oil or grease. And next type of force is magnetic force. What is the meaning of magnetic force? An object attracts the other object. Magnets have special property because the magnets pulling the things made by iron or nickel. Magnets pulling the objects made by iron or nickel. So it has a special property, pulling. Gravitational force means the earth attracts, the earth pulls towards the objects towards the center. For example, when we throw the chalk piece, again the chalk piece coming down because of Earth's force, because of Earth's gravity. Earth pulling the objects towards itself. This force is called gravitational force. When we throw a stone up, again the stone will be come down because of gravitational force. Then leaf falls from the tree, fruit falls from the tree. When we jump up and down, again we are coming down because earth pulls towards itself. Because of gravity, we can walk properly on the ground. These are the gravitational force. Listen, one example. This is the hill. This is the vehicle. The vehicle is moving uphill. It is difficult to move. Why? Because the earth pulling the vehicle towards itself. So, the vehicle is moving uphill. It's difficult to move. Again, the vehicle is moving downhill. It's very easy to moving down because the earth is pulling the vehicle down. So, it's move faster. Next topic is energy. What is the meaning of energy? The ability or capacity to do work. The ability or capacity to do work is called energy. When we give the force to an object, we need energy. Without energy, we cannot do any work. Moving the table, carrying the bag, writing the paper. We need energy to do our work. The energy has different types and different forms. Energy has different types and different forms. What are the types of energy? Potential energy, kinetic energy, chemical energy. Potential energy, kinetic energy and chemical energy. These are the forms of energy. Sound energy, light energy, wind energy, thermal energy, electrical energy, electromagnetic energy and electrochemical energy. Today we will study about potential, kinetic and chemical energy. What is the meaning of potential energy? Potential energy means an object stored on a stationary object. Always the potential energy will be take its position. They will be not moving. They will be take their position. They are on rest. Before moving the object, they will be keep ready to move. That is the potential energy. For example, a ball is on the hill. The ball is not moving through the hill. The ball is ready to move. So, it will be take rest before moving. It is the potential energy. After some time, the ball is moving this way. It is not potential because the ball is moving. Before start to move the ball, it will be take rest. It takes in position. And other examples, water stored in their dam. Water stored in their dam. And stretching rubber band. When we stretch the rubber band, it will be ready to move. Before that, it takes its position. And bow and arrow. Before shooting the arrow, it takes its position. These are some examples For example, this ball will be take the potential energy. After that, the ball is moving. When the ball is moving, it has an energy. That is kinetic energy. We are starting to run. So we are moving. That is the kinetic energy. The vehicle is moving. A car is moving. Aeroplane is moving. Flowing water. So objects are moving. These are the examples of kinetic energy. Next one is chemical energy. Stored in food. Chemical energy stored in food. We are eating the food. Yes. After eating the food, we will get the energy. That is chemical energy. After taking food, we will be take rest. That is potential energy. After some time, we start to walk or we start to do any work. That is kinetic energy because we are moving. So, these three types of energy depending upon their positions. It will be take rest. Kinetic energy is moving. Chemical energy stored in food. Have you understand this? And these are the different forms of energy. We will be studying the next class. Children, you have to do an exercise now. Take your student's book page number 117. Match the columns. Column A and column B. Force, push or pull. Friction, slowing down. Magnet, nickel or iron objects. Gravity, standing. Write the correct answers. Take your workbook now, page number 50. From workbook page number 50. This is the homework for you. You should do the homework this. Look at the pictures below. Raju is walking on a marble floor. Which of these forces would be acting between the soles of the shoe and the floor? Choices are given. Frictional force, magnetic force, electromagnetic force, all of the above. Answer is frictional force. Second one, if the boy walks with these shoes on a wet floor above, which of these can be expected? The slippage will increase. There would be no slippage. The sole will be thicker. The floor will be magnetic. Answer is the slippage will increase. Third question, which of these can help in reducing slippage? By making the flooring rough, by making the sole of shoes rougher, by adding spikes to the shoe sole, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Fourth one, which of these can increase slippage on the floor? If the marble floor is wet, if the marble floor is polished, if we put oil on the floor, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Children, you have one activity from the student's book page number 123. You should do this activity from your home and observe what you find, which type of energy you can find from this activity. Do this activity. Refer the book which we learned today. Learn it well. Okay? Thank you.